To make the liquid more visible, we will prepare 150 ml of water with blue ink. Open the ink bottle's lid, then carefully drop some blue ink into the water. Be careful not to stain your clothes. Next, we will use a glass rod to stir the liquid. When using a graduated cylinder, add liquid until the lower meniscus is at the right mark. If you want to add 12 ml of liquid, transfer liquid from the beaker to the graduated cylinder until the liquid level is below the 12 ml mark. Next, we will use a dropper to add more liquid until the lower meniscus is exactly at the 12 ml mark. Introduce the liquid as close to the water's surface as possible. We need to closely observe if the lower meniscus is at the 12 ml mark. Use glass rod to tap the test tubes. Tap gently, just enough for you to hear a sound. Tapping hard could break the test tube. Please tap at the same place. The test tube material will also influence the sound. In order for the sound quality to be similar, try to use the same material.